Ahoy, this is John O'Donnell at MarineMax Maryland. Today I'd like to take you through a 2025 Scout 260 LXF. Just in, beautiful boat. Back here on the stern we have twin Mercury 200 horse Verados in black, obviously. It dovetails in really nicely with the Scout white hull. Really looks sharp. Of course, one of the neat features on the 260 here, we do have the swim platform where you can walk all the way across, access to both sides. You see here on the starboard quarter we do have a swim ladder to come up on board. We've got a ski tow pylon here for your water sports. When you're all done back here, you can come through into the cockpit via the opening door here on the cockpit. We have the built-in engine flush system just right here. Just pop that on to flush out your motors when you're done. So it's really convenient and everything for usage while you're on board the boat. Typical with Scout, just some of the really nice features. The best looking bilge you'll ever want to see in the world. Right down here, Scout bilges. They're all gel coated. All the hatches on the boat have gaskets. They're gel coated, beveled edges. Just a lot of attention to detail, high quality stainless steel. Really nice. Back here on the back, we do have the pull down seat here on the back for if you're riding in the back. Just a little extra room in addition to the room up front that you'll see when we head up there. Great leaning post here. Most importantly, I think the best option on here is the bottle opening here, because everyone's going to be using that pretty heavily on the boat for your refreshments. But you do have a wet bar here, so there's a little sink here, a little cutting area. Of course, you got your rod holders, cup holders, little equipment and gear holding if you're working on maybe cutting up some fish here. A Yeti cooler, and then just some drawers. You got some regular drawers, and then you got some tackle drawers in here for your all your fishing gear, and then really well thought out little pull-out garbage can here as well. So super nice island setup. You see over here at port, we've got the tuna door open. Super nice having that on board. Not only if you're swimming, jumping in and out of the boat perhaps, but also when you're hauling in the big one, you've got the tuna door, which is great on a 26-foot boat. In the gunnels over here, we have fishing rod storage or boat hook storage along there as well. And in the deck over here, we have fish boxes on the port and starboard side. Moving forward to the command center, nice setup here. Of course, you got your twin 200s back there, so you got your throttles here on your binnacle. You do have Mercury active trim on here. You got your dual Garmin screens. This boat does have Seakeeper Ride as well, which is a vessel attitude control system, a remarkable advanced trim tab system on here. Really nice. Two inductive cell phone chargers, Bluetooth fusion stereo that is Sirius XM satellite ready. You got a tilt wheel as well, which is nice for different height. And then this is kind of a neat little feature here. It's a C-deck coated footrest here for the driver and the passenger or the co-pilot. The seats do have the flip down bolsters, and they also have the flip down armrest as well. So lots of options here for your sitting, standing, driving. And I'll say that the visibility through here is great. And one really neat feature is the full glass windshield here. So you're not going to get wet. There's nice ventilation coming on the sides, but you're not going to get wet. You have the windshield wiper. You got good handhold here. Just a really secure feeling cockpit. And over here, hanging on the pylon here, is your VHF handheld radio as well. So let's go over here and check out the cabin and the head here. Just right on the port side, open up the door. A really nice, spacious down here. You've got a porcelain electric head. You've got a nice little port for a little daylight in there, and of course your main battery switches, your engine keys and everything to power up in here. But nice place to store a lot of gear. A lot of extra room in here for gear, but then also having your marine head in here is really nice. Moving up forward some more, we have the built-in battery charger plug-in right here. So when you're at the dock or on the lift, just plug in there, keep your batteries topped up. All the way forward, really nice setup. You can check in the video and in the pictures, you'll see the filler cushion that goes in here. So if you have folks that like to lay out and lounge and catch some sun, boom, good to go right here. This is just a really nice, got an armrest here, this little lounger here, and inside the coffin box here, just a tremendous amount of room. Again, typical with Scout. Again, all this nice Gelco finish, gaskets, gas assist, and it's self-draining, and it's huge. Really just done up very well. Another Scout feature here. These backrests are removable, so you can take them off and stow them if you want a little extra room up here, or leave the backrest in. Got cup holders again on either side. You also have USB-A and USB-C charging ports right here too for your passengers and your friends that are up here with their cell phones. Insulated, self-draining storage underneath each of these seats as well. Equally nice with the gasket and the gas assist lift. Up forward here, you got these are cup holders, and they also double. They have rod holders in the bottom of the cup holder, so it's dual cup and rod holders. Got your anchor windlass controls here, and then all the business here for your anchor windlass, and it has a washdown connection in there for your slinky hose. So if you are pulling her up, she's got some mud on there, you can just wash it right down. Got the drop down cleats here, so if you're fishing, you run around the boat, really nice feature. If you're not using the cleat, just pop it down. You don't get your toes caught on it, your fishing lines and rods or whatnot. Another nice feature there. Notice the hand holds here, the hand rails up on the bow as well. So when you're sitting up here and you're underway, very comfortable. I mean, look at this. I got plenty of room here, and I'm comfortable. I'm safe, and I'm looking forward to getting underway. Got a stereo zone up here, stereo zone midships, and stereo zone aft. Lots of entertainment options. You look at the hardtop, it does have the black trim on the hardtop. We have the razor lights on the forward as well, on the top of the hardtop. And then we also have the spreader lights, which will illuminate the deck forward here, and then the deck back aft. So this 2025 Scout 260 LXF is here at MarineMax Maryland. Come on down, love to show you the boat.